TextCortex and Anyword are strong contenders in the AI writing assistant arena, but they cater to slightly different needs. Here's a breakdown to help you choose. Anyword focuses on short-form content like ad copy, product descriptions, and social media posts. A/B testing to see which variations resonate best with your audience. This is a big advantage for optimizing marketing copy. TextCortex handles long-form content well, including blog posts, articles, and even scripts. Offers industry-specific modules for more targeted content creation. Integrates with web browsing for real-time content generation and knowledge gathering. Allows collaboration and data source connection for a more customized workflow. Choose Anyword if your focus is on data-driven optimization of short marketing copy. Choose TextCortex if you need help crafting long-form content and require industry-specific tools or a collaborative workflow. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try out both. Most services offer free trials to test their features and see which one gels better with your workflow. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try TextCortex and Anyword for free.